Alright, welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to get your AI voice. Okay, I hope that sounds good. How to get your AI voice. Is that okay? You can use AI to create your videos. You can use AI to create an advert video, to create an explainer video. You can use AI to create a story video. You can use it to tell stories and all of that. Is that okay? So that is what I'm going to be teaching you right now, how to get an AI voice. All right, so there are actually several sites you can actually use for this. You can use Movio, you can use Eli, but some of these sites are not free. All right, you have to pay a very huge amount of money to get that done. All right, but in this video I'm going to show you how to do that for free and have exact voice you can get from Movio and from Eli. Is that okay? And this is pretty easy to do with this class. All right, so stay to the end of this class and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can receive subsequent videos from this channel. Is that okay? So simply go to your browser, click on your browser. So when you come to your browser, you can actually use any browser for this. You can use Chrome, you can use Kiwi browser, you can use Chrome, you can use Google, any browser at all you can use to do that. But I think I will use Chrome to do this. I'll simply click on my Chrome browser and then go to my search bar. I think I'm already in the site, but I just want to show you the name and everything. Say NaraKit. All right, it's spelled N-A. Sorry, I think this is not correct. narakit.com. All right, spelled N-A-R-A-K-E-E-T. Then you put .com. You search for it. All right, so here is the site. All right, it is going to bring you to this place. Once it brings you here, the first thing you want to do is to sign up. All right, I already have an account. I have already signed up. That is why I am on my account. You can see that at the top. All right, so when you come here after signing up, it is important. You can actually do that without signing up, but it's important you actually sign up. All right, when you come here, you simply click on, you can see what they wrote: easily create voiceovers using realistic text to video. All right, using realistic text to video. All right, so you can actually search for any voice that you want to get. You can find it here. All right, any kind of voice you are looking for, and it will be very real. All right, instead of you to go and be paying voiceover artist to create voiceover for you, you can actually turn your text to voice. All right, simply click on get started. All right, when you click on get started, it is going to ask you text to audio or video. The other one, video from a presentation. Sorry, simply click on text to audio. All right, don't forget I am actually on desktop mode. All right, you can use your normal mode, but I prefer using desktop mode so that I can see everything clearly. To go on desktop mode, simply go to at the top right hand side. You're going to see three dots. You click on it, then you scroll up. You're going to see where they wrote desktop mode. You can see my own is on. If I off it, let me off it so that you can see that. All right, it is off now, and you can see how it looks like. All right, you can still use the normal mode and do that, but I prefer using desktop mode, so I'll switch it on again. All right, I'm back to desktop mode. All right, so I simply click on get started, then click on, you say what would you like to create. So I'll click on text to speech audio. Then before now, I suppose you have your text ready. All right, you have to get your text ready. Then I'll click on text to speech audio. All right, just wait a moment while it's loading. All right, it's actually it's going to bring us to a place where we need to input our text, and then it will translate it to audio. All right, so in this place you can choose language. You can see that Language, you click on the language. If you don't, you choose from here. You can choose any English that you want or any language you want. You see, it said this one, the first one said English British. The next one said English American. This one said English Canadian. Scottish accent, so Australia English Australian, so and New Zealand accent. So you can actually select anyone you want to select, but for this purpose, let's select English Nigerian. All right, let's select English Nigerian. You can see that here, English Nigerian. So but you can, like I said, you can select any particular language you want to select. So I select English Nigerian accent. So when I select English Nigerian accent, the next thing I want to select is voice. All right, do you want a female voice or a male voice? Okay, to do that, you go to the place where you have voice, then click on this arrow, and now in Nigerian voice we have two voices, which is male and female. All right, the male voice is identified as Obinna. That is the male voice. And then the place where you have Tandewi, the Tandewi is female voice. If you click on this, it means you have chosen a female voice. Note that. And if you click on the first one, which is Obinna, it means you are choosing Nigerian male voice. Why the other one is Nigerian female voice? Is that okay? So that is just how to go about that. All right, so from here you can actually increase the volume. All right, you can increase the volume. All right, sorry, the volume is on standard. We have soft, we have standard, we have loud. If you want it to be loud, you make it loud. If you want it to be standard or soft, but I think I prefer standard. The next one is speed. Do you want the voice to be slow, or you want it to be fast, or you want it to be normal, or you want it to be custom? So I will simply select normal. The next one is format. Do you want it to be on MP3 or MP4? Don't forget, if you make it if you input it on MP4, it is going to download as video. It's going to create as video, and it is better you make it MP3, so that you can easily import it while editing as audio. All right, instead of making it MP4. So this place they wrote format, and that place they input MP4. Simply go and change it to MP3. I will change it to MP3. So that is it. So the next thing I want to do is to input my script, the script that you want to use for this. Don't forget, after this we are going to actually edit this video, so that if you are new, you can actually know how to simply edit your video, get your sound, edit every single thing that is involved. So the next thing I want to do is to go and copy my text. All right, I'll simply go and copy my text and paste it. All right, by now you supposed to have make your text ready. Is either you write it on your notepad or somewhere. You can simply go and copy. So that is what I want to do now. Just a moment. So I have copied my text. All right, I have copied my text. That is the script that I want to use for this purpose. All right, like I said, you're supposed to have done yours before now. So I'll simply input. Don't forget, if you are using Movio, or you are using like I said earlier, there are different platforms you can actually do this, but they charge so much. All right, and some of them your test is limited, but this one you don't have a limited test here. So you can simply click, and if you have not written it down, you can start writing from here. All right, you can start writing whatever you want to write, but I advise you write them down before coming here. so I'll paste my writing. All right, so this is what I have written. Make sure you go through your test before imputing. All right, make sure you go through them very well before you can start imputing whatever you want to impute. All right, go through them and make sure there is no mistake anywhere. All right, after that, the next thing you want to do is to click on create audio. You can see the place where they wrote create audio at the bottom. You can see create audio. You can see that by your right hand side, on blue background. I'll simply click on that. All right, uploading, building your audio. Just like this, your audio is creating. Your audio have started creating. All right, here is your audio. Your audio is ready. You can see that your audio is ready. So we are going to play that. After playing it, then we'll go ahead and download.
Do you need a dream home? Are you in search of a reliable and trusted company to design and structure your dream home from imagination to reality to taste? Then look no further. Verock Constructions is the best solution.
All right.
Verock Constructions is the tested and trusted firm for functional architecture with beautiful faced and structural design, general building construction and supervision. Also, our area of expertise include interior design.
So you can see that I've actually done this. I have done this without wasting our time. I'll simply download the video. All right, you click on download and your video will start. You can see that file download. It have downloaded just now. Your video, your audio is ready. I'll click on open, then click on play.
Do you need a dream home? Are you in search of a reliable and trusted company to design and structure your dream home from imagination to reality to taste?
The video, the audio has started
is the best solution.
All right, this is simple.
Verock Constructions is the tested and trusted firm for functional architecture with beautiful faced and structural design, general building construction and supervision.
All right, and now make sure when you are doing yours, make sure you put the punctuation marks very well. If there is a place that is question mark, make sure you put question mark. The place where you're supposed to have comma, make sure you put comma. The place where you're supposed to have apostrophe, the place where you have to supposed to have column, everything. Make sure your punctuations are very correct. If they are not correct, it is not going to be that okay. All right, because the AI, they respect every singular sign that is in the test. They observe everything. All right, so make sure that your punctuations are very okay and in place. All right, so this is very simple. This is how to create your AI sound, AI voice. All right, so that is the end of this video. All right, in the next video we are going to be talking about how to edit all this audio we have design now, we have created now. It's an advert video. All right, if you watch, it begins with a question.
Do you need a dream home?
All right, it started with, did you need a dream home? All right, so that is a question. So this is an advert audio. So we are going to create the video in the next video. Of course, in the next video we are going to make, I'm going to show you how to create the video from scratch. All these questions you have seen, I'm going to show you how to put it in practice and create a perfect advert video with this particular voice that we have generated. All right, thank you for staying tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you will not be left out in the next video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and subscribe so that once I post the next video, which is on editing and the subsequent video, you are going to be the first person to see the video and watch and implement immediately. Thank you. If you have any question, you can send me a WhatsApp message you can drop that at the comment section, or you send it as a WhatsApp message on the WhatsApp number that is now displaying on the screen. Or you can check, if you're not seeing it on the screen, or you can check the description, or you check the comment section. I am going to be leaving the WhatsApp number in all of these places, your comment section, the description, and around. All right, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.